I'm Mallory. I'm from Boston in the US.
I'm Mae. I'm also from the Boston area in the United States, and I'm here to see Málaga.
I liked the Picasso Museum, and we also went to his house. There's a lot of art.
I really liked the Alcazaba because it was really interesting, the architecture and how it was immersed in the city.
I've been learning Spanish for 4 or 5 years, but the practice was really helpful, especially when there were a few days when we went into the city and we talked to locals.
I've been learning Spanish since kindergarten, but I didn't remember or know that much about the grammar, and so I found the classes really helpful with that, and I also found it very helpful how we would do activities in the city talking to people and asking the questions.
That was the most important part for me because we don't really get that much practice back home, at least I don't, in my class. So the speaking with locals was really helpful, and I was kind of proud of myself for being able to do it and them understanding me.
Yeah, I thought it was super cool, and it was really exciting too because it's not something that we really get to do in the US. I came here with my friend from school, and at first it was a little stressful because we didn't know anyone. But then once we started making friends, it was really interesting to hear where people came from, and we would learn phrases in other languages. Yeah, I felt it was really easy to bond with people when we were eating together, getting gelato, and that was really fun.
It's always good to try something new and be pushed out of your comfort zone, and most people, I'd say, were in the same boat. So we're all just trying to make friends with each other, and it worked out well.
It does get a lot easier, and it is important to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. And it's definitely something that it's a unique experience.